How to file a tax extension using H&R Block Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need more time to file your taxes? A tax extension could be a perfect solution. With H&R Block Online, extending your tax deadline is quick and hassle-free. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to filing a tax extension, including important details about Form 4868 and the potential tax penalties. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open any web browser and navigate to the H&R Block IRS extension page. Now, read through the provided information carefully to understand the filing process and the IRS requirement for requesting a tax extension. And now, to request an extension, you need to fill out a form 4868. To do that, you simply have to review the instruction for completing the form and take the note of key deadline and ensure you provide the required details. Be aware of the implications of filing a tax extension, such as potential late payment penalties if taxes are still owed. Next, sign in to your H&R Block Online account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can simply create one by following the registration steps. And once logged in, go to the section where you can file your taxes and access filing tools. And now, complete Form 4868 using the on-screen prompts provided by H&R Block. Now, double-check all information before submitting, and after submission, you'll receive a confirmation that your extension request has been processed. And with this, also keep a record of your request for future reference. And that's it. Filing a tax extension with H&R Block Online is simple and efficient. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.